Here's 3 simple things that you can do to instantly 10x the amount of PPV sales that you are getting on any OnlyFans account. First one is a broke filter. Second one is a hot and cold guilt sequence. And the third one is increasing the price framing across the OnlyFans account. You implement those 3 things and I guarantee you, you will instantly 10x the amount of PPV sales that you are getting on any OnlyFans account. All right, so first one is the broke filter. Broke filter is a new subscriber comes in, they get sent an automated message, gets them to do something in return for something. Now in this case, that something is going to be a 30-second just cut up tease of a full video. So you get them to do something. For example, in my script, you get them to like a bunch of posts and then you say you'll send them a free video. Then they've done it, they'll come back, they'll say it's done and you send them the free video, but it's actually just a 30-second cut up edited version of a full NSFW video. And of course in the tease, there's no full nudity or anything, it's just a tease. You send them that, gets them all worked up, and then they want more, and then you can use that to upsell the full version. Now after doing this, especially when in combination with the increased price framing that I was talking about, then you can instantly conclude whether this sub is going to be spending money or just wasting your time. And then from there, it's up to you. You can either categorize them. We normally throw them in a duds group or time wasters, same thing. And then you know not to waste a lot of one-on-one time when you can just shill a fucking shitload of mass PPVs, all right? So that's the broke filter. New sub comes in, get them worked up, send them a tease, upsell full video, depending on their response. You can tell if they're broke or not broke. Next one, hot and cold guilt sequence. Now, this is kind of self-explanatory. You're being hot and cold, but surprisingly, a lot of people don't understand how this works. Now, if a sub does not purchase, the more you beg, the less likely you're going to purchase. So if they don't purchase, send them a one-liner. Here's a bunch of them. You're not nice. Nice man would have paid. You're just like all the other guys. You're just trying to use me. You're not actually interested in me. I get it. Just one of these. And then they're going to reply. And then silence. Radio silence. Drives them wild. And I guarantee you're probably going to get a 50% conversion out of that just from ignoring them. They're just going to suddenly purchase just because now they know that if they don't purchase, they don't get to talk to the girl. If they do purchase, they do. So that's the hot and cold guilt sequence. I'd say like 99% of people I see do this wrong. 99% of chatters do this wrong. Maybe it's counterintuitive, I'm not sure, but I see a lot of people, they just keep begging. Well, a lot of people, I say chatters, they just beg, come on, please, I'll give you a discount. It just makes it worse and you're never gonna convert that person. So it's hot and cold. Send a one-liner and then cold. Radio silence. And as I said, I'd say 50% of those convert just from the radio silence alone. All right, so that's hot and cold sequence. Next one, increased price framing. Increased price framing, just a fancy way of saying raise the fucking prices. I don't want to see no $5 images. I don't want to see no $10 packs. Girls, this is mainly aimed at you. You're shocking at this. You're just underselling yourself. I don't mean to insult you. I'm just telling you, just raise your fucking prices because these guys thinking that they're going to get like a 3-for-1 video deal for $5. Oh my God. Imagine what they think of you after you sell them this amount of content for this little price. It's like if you go to some shitty little shop and you buy something for $2 and on the way out, you drop it, falls down the drain like, oh fuck, do you care? No, because you spent $2 on it. So this is you if you sell content, especially these multi-deal things. No, nothing like that. Now, when I say raise prices, I'm talking about minimum $50 videos. I'm talking about minimum $30 single photos. Now, you're probably going to laugh, but try it. And the main thing is when you do this is you have to be consistent. You have to raise the prices across the whole OnlyFans account. Now, at first, what's going to happen is you're going to start seeing a lot of the brokies because they're expecting $2 pictures, $5 fucking multi-deal combo things. And then they're going to filter out no worries at all. But now when the new ones come in, they know that you're not fucking around. They know that you're selling videos for minimum 50. They know that you're selling photos for minimum 30. And if you guys are sitting there thinking, fuck, that's a lot, there's no way that's going to sell. Well, then you are in the wrong industry, my friend, because try it, especially my new subscriber script that I showed earlier. What we normally do is $35 for the upsell right out of the gate because they've just come in, you've warmed them up. You send them a full video for $35, which is less than what I recommended. That's just the intro price, just to get them kind of warmed up, just to get them used to the fact that they'll be paying a little bit for your videos. And then later on at 50, and then it goes upwards depending on the level, depending on the stage of the conversation you're in, what I'm trying to say is depending how horny they are, the more horny they are, the more you're going to charge, all right? But minimum 30 for photo, minimum 50 for video. Unless you're using my new subscriber script, then you'll see that we send it for slightly less just to get a feel of the waters, right? And anyway, that's it. I won't keep rambling on. Implement those 3 things, and I guarantee that you will 10x the amount of revenue that you're generating from PPV sales on any single OnlyFans account. I don't care how hot the girl is or not, do those 3 things and you'll 10x the revenue you're getting from the account. Anyway, that is it. Now, as usual, if you like the video, go smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.